Hi, what are you doing? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you, Julia. Hi. How you feeling? How you feeling, huh? Yeah, you want to talk to Mommy? You want to share your feelings? You want to share your feelings? Tell Mommy how you feel. Tell Mommy how you feel. What are you doing? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you full? Yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah? Okay. Uh-huh. Did you have fun today? You have fun today? Yeah? Yeah? You have fun going around with Mommy and Daddy? And say hi? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute, Jules. You're so cute, Jules. Uh-huh. What else? What else? What else you want to say? What else you want to say? Let's talk. Let's talk. Tell Mommy how you feel. Tell Mommy how you feel. Want to share your feelings? Whoa, whoa, look at that. Wow, look at that. Uh-huh.
Hi. How you doing? Yeah, booby. Oh, booby. Hi. How you doing? Chào chị gái không? Hello, chị đang em ngủ đã không con? Xịt vô ghế đây. Thương quá. Thương lắm phải không? Thương nè. Chị không thương lắm nè. Chloe loves you too.
And area 2.
And area two. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Here's the rest of the family.
Here.
You want to talk to Em? Em wants to talk.
Talk to Em con.
Talk to Ariel. How is it still Ariel and hiding you?
Yeah.
It's swimming. I'm swimming.
Swimming.
He's a dog. And Ariel too. Mommy.
Thương.
Mommy.